Hey, can I ask you something? Are you working hard in your business, but when you check your bank account, you're shocked and find yourself asking, wait, where's all the money going? I promise you, you're not alone. And it might not be your offer, your niche, or even your marketing. It could be something a lot closer to home. We are talking about your money mindset. Hi, I'm Sandra. I'm a qualified accountant, and after working with so many business owners over the years, I've noticed something. Your business will only grow as far as your money mindset lets it. It's like there's this invisible ceiling, and until you break it, no matter what strategies you try, nothing really clicks. So, today I want to walk you through the 5 most common money personalities I've seen and the sneaky ways they can block your business growth. By the time we're done, you'll know which one you are and why you might be feeling stuck. And even more important is what to do to start shifting it right away. And I've put together a free breakthrough money mindset guide. I'll link it below in the description so you can start taking action today. All right, let's see if you recognize yourself in any of these money mindsets. Are you a spender Sally type? You're fun, you're full of life, and you love treating yourself and your business to the newest tech, the latest course, the best coaches. You tell yourself you have to spend money to make money, but deep down, you know it's not always strategic spending. It's just spending. The belief here is if I just buy this one more thing, my business will finally take off. But instead, you're overspending, undercharging clients, and confusing spending with actual investment. I once worked with a business owner who had this mindset. They had amazing energy, incredible ideas, but they were spending money before the revenue could actually catch up. So here's a breakthrough tip. Match your desire for abundance with intentional investments. Get sales and profit clarity before you upgrade your expenses. That's how you can create true abundance. Our next mindset is the investor Ivan type. You love the thrill of investing, ROI, return on investment is your love language. You say, I'm not spending, I'm investing. But there's a catch. You feel like if you don't jump on an opportunity now, you'll miss the boat. That belief fuels shiny object syndrome, constant pivots, and sometimes cash flow chaos. A breakthrough tip is to focus on the stability first, track your cash flow so your investments can compound instead of draining you. Then we have the Debbie debt mindset. You avoid looking at your bank account, you carry debt shame, and you tell yourself, I can't think about growth until I'm debt free. So the belief here is I'm bad with money, so I can't be trusted with more. And that fear holds you back from charging your worth, from marketing confidently, and from even being visible. So a breakthrough tip here is to remember debt doesn't define your worth or your potential. The shift is moving from avoidance to empowerment. Knowing your numbers, charging confidently, and seeing debt as a tool when it's used strategically. So next up we have our frugal Fred mindsets. You save and then you save some more. You think I'll just do it myself to save money. The belief spending is too risky. But the cost of not spending on the right thing is burnout, slow growth, and bottlenecks in your business. There is a breakthrough tip here. Learn the difference between spending and investing. You can grow and still feel safe. Lastly, we have our secure Sandy mindsets. You like steady savings, you take measured risks, and structure is your best friend. Your motto? Better safe than sorry. The belief is if I scale, I might lose what I've built. And so you stay in your comfort zone even if it means your revenue stops growing. Here's a breakthrough tip. Use data-backed decisions to take calculated risks. That way you can grow without losing your security. So you may say to yourself, why does your money mindset matter at all? Well, here's the thing. Your money mindset didn't come from nowhere. It was shaped by your childhood, society, past experiences, and now it's quietly running the show. It's affecting your pricing, how you manage cash flow, what you invest in, and how you handle opportunities. Until you shine a light on it, you'll keep self-sabotaging without even realizing it. If you saw yourself in any of these mindsets, good news, it's not a life sentence. You can reprogram your money mindset. Grab my free breakthrough money mindset guide in the description below. It's packed with simple, practical shifts to get you moving from stuck to thriving. And if this chat was helpful, hit the like, subscribe, and tell me in the comments what's your money personality and what shift are you making first. I'd love to hear from you.